In the bustling metropolis of Miami-Dade, a new force for educational transformation emerges. BootUp is launching an epic professional development initiative designed for our fearless elementary school teachers. Prepare to witness a revolution as these educators are equipped with the power of coding, unlocking a world of innovation for their students. Picture this: classrooms across the district where heroic teachers are already making a difference. Their success stories are nothing short of legendary. Students captivated by technology, and teachers leading the charge with unparalleled enthusiasm and skill. Yet even heroes face challenges. Professional development on jam-packed school days can be a struggle. But just like every great hero, our educators rise to the occasion, fueled by a passion to make a difference. Imagine a principal who, with great foresight, extends a personal invitation to a standout teacher, entrusting them with the mission of leading this groundbreaking initiative. This gesture symbolizes a deep commitment to both professional growth and student success. BootUp PD isn't just about learning to code. It's about empowering students. It's about our mission to provide relevant learning experiences that spark curiosity. It's about opening doors for students to achieve their full academic, personal, and civic potential. Unleash your heroes. Invite them to code the future.